of joy. My phone is now unlocked. So let me back this camera. Okay. So as you can see there, my phone is plugged into the TV with this cord here. And I can't see what I'm doing because my screen is broken. But hopefully I can guess close enough. So I'm getting all these notifications about all this stuff that's going on. So it's asking me if I signed into my Samsung account. I'm gonna go ahead and hit yes. I'm getting text, your phone back on. A new device signed into your Samsung account, yes. Uh-oh. Let me just swipe these away if I can guess where I'm swiping. Are you trying to sign into your Samsung account? Yes. Enter code. Okay. Whoa. Alright, so basically, one of the most important things that I need to do is make sure that my watch is synced to my new phone. And it's not really letting me do that because it's still kind of connected to my old phone. So I'm going to search for a Samsung Galaxy wearable. Nope, that's not it. That's Smart Switch. So that's Smart Switch again. There we go, Galaxy wearable. So basically what I need to do is delete my watch from this phone. That way I can connect it to my new phone. Because I tried to connect it to my new phone and it's not letting me because it's still connected to this phone. So, nope, that's not what I wanted to do. So Galaxy Watch 2 connected. Basically I just need to disconnect it. That's not it. How do we disconnect? I gotta kind of guess where on the screen that is. Nope. App notifications. That's not it. Come on, baby. Manage devices. I guess this will be a good place to... remove them all. Cool. So I think successfully removed my headphones and my watch and everything from my Galaxy Wearables app. So I should now be able to connect my watch and everything to my new phone without any problems. Other than that, I guess really all I need to do from here, and I'm not exactly sure, I hope there's nothing else I need to do on here. Let's just go for it. Clear all that out. About phone. Reset. Nope, that's not it. No, that's not it. I'm trying to guess where that reset is on here. Ah, got it. Reset. Alright, so basically now what I need to do is a factory data reset. I'm gonna guess if that's... Nope. There it is. Factory data reset. So all data will be erased. I'm gonna go ahead and reset. Delete all. Now it wants my password. So that's gonna be tough to guess all those keys on here. That didn't work. That didn't work. So this is gonna be tough. I gotta try something else. Alright, so for the next portion of this video, I'm in Jacob's room. He has Windows 10 and I don't. And Windows 10 is pretty good for phones, I guess. So we have Samsung Dex here. And Samsung Dex wants me to connect my phone with a USB cable, which I have, as you can see there. So let me unplug it because it doesn't seem to recognize it. Plug it back in. So I just heard a sound. Should be recognizing it. There it is. So my phone just popped up. Samsung DeX is now getting ready to start. Tap start on your phone. My phone has nothing. I don't know where start is, so I'm gonna just guess and tap away. And that should give us DeX, I hope. Do we have DeX? Did I close it? Let me try again. Tap start on your phone. Did I hit cancel? I have no idea what's on my phone. My God. Let's try again. Tap. Tap start on your phone. There's my phone, flashing away. I don't know where start is. I don't know what's happening. I've done this a bunch of times. I've been able to get my phone hooked up. And now it doesn't want to work because I'm recording. My goodness. My goodness, my goodness. Samsung DeX is getting ready to start. Tap start on your phone. Where on my phone is start? I want to cry. I want to cry. Dude, where on my phone does it say start? Okay, I now have something on my phone. So let me try to run DeX again one more time. DeX is ready. Tap start on your phone. I can't really see what's on my phone. Oh, I seriously want to cry. Oh my God, finally. I don't know what I did, but here we are. There's my phone on my computer screen, which previously, for whatever reason, I couldn't get to work, but now it seems to be working. So from here, there's my notification bar at the bottom of my phone. So I should be able to click here on my phone, go to settings. Those are my settings. And as you can see on my computer screen, or Jacob's computer screen in this case, I should be able to go to general management here, reset. Oh, it's grayed out. It's grayed out. I can't reset my phone from Samsung DeX. I gotta do it from I just had an idea. Find my Samsung. Find my Samsung. If I log in to find my Samsung, hopefully I can get this done. Okay, so find my Samsung here. I got two Galaxy S10 Pluses. That should be my new one, I hope. And this should be the old one. How do I know? I don't know. I can't really tell which one is which. So the second phone is selected. It's probably my older one. My newest one probably should be at the top. But just to be sure, Samsung's giving me here the options to ring the phone. So I'm going to try to ring the phone, and hopefully it's the old one. And actually it's showing me the battery percentage here is at 74%. And I got it here plugged in next to me, and it's at 74%. There. So 74%. 74%. This is the older phone. I did hit ring and nothing happened. Ring. Okay. So that is the right phone. So I think from here I should be able to reset it. Let's try to erase data. So let's do a factory data reset, and then it's going to erase Samsung Pay as well, which is fine. So let's hit erase. And it should start wiping my phone. There it is, it resets, turning off. It's going to get factory reset. So now I should have no worries. I can send this back to Asurion or AT&T or whoever's going to receive this thing in this state. And they'll probably just take off the front, take off the back, put a new front, put a new back on it. Everything works fine. I mean, I get messages on it. It can connect. The touchscreen seems to work if you can see what you're touching. And the cameras work. I checked the cameras and they're fine. They'll probably restore this thing, put some new components on it, make it look brand new, and refurbish it to somebody else. But that's it, guys. That's Samsung Dex for you, and Find My Samsung, and old phone is factory reset and ready to be sent back. Bye.